Hello and welcome to another Swerve review. Today I'm going to be reviewing for you this. It's the Breville blender, should I say. Yeah, I needed to get one because of my gym work. I've had to start taking more protein because of the gym work, and you need to mix it in a powder, mix it in a shake and get it down. I want something quick and I wanted something convenient, and so I was going to give this a try. It comes with two of these. This is the cup that it comes in. You drink out of this cup. It also comes with this that goes on the top of it, so whatever you blend and mix goes in there. Lovely. So yeah, so you put your stuff in, blend it in there, very sharp blades, four little prong blades there. Put it on just like this, upside down, and just press the button. It's a pulse button, so as soon as you let go it goes off, so you have to get your finger on it, but you're never going to be blending anything in there for that long anyway. So let's get down to the gym first, and then when I come back I'm going to make myself a protein drink and I'll let you know how it all goes. See you when I get back. So I've been to the gym and now to test it out and see about this protein shake, because I've got to have my protein shake. So now I'm going to put it to the test. I'm looking for convenience. I want it quick. It has to be something that's quick. So let's see what it does. So I'll drop the milk in. I think I'll have a banana in there. Cut the banana in half, and I'll just use half of it. Yeah, get him in there. Half a banana. I've got some of these berry fruit stuff. This is all good stuff, I think, I hope. Well, I've never tried this yet, but I've got to have the protein. It's all over the floor, but it's alright. Right, now, what do I want to put in there? Oh yeah, the protein. I've got some whey protein here, so I'll have a little drop of that in. What else? Honey. Let's stick some honey in, get some sweeteners on it. That'll do for the honey. Right, now you just turn it up here on that same cup. Whack it in there. Let it go, 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 let it go. And stop and let it settle, settle, settle. And then hit it again, hit it, hit it. Oh, look at that, it's gone like strawberry. So there you have it. I think that's going to be it. I'm going to try it, the protein mix. That'll do, a few seconds in there. Let's have a look. Now, it's the same one that's the glass. I'm going to drink out the same glass. Or you got this, like I showed you earlier on, just to put on, take it away with you. But, here goes. God save the king. It's mixed it all up really nice. Yep. Oh. Go for that. It's really good. It's a good little machine. It doesn't. I'm going to rinse it out straight away, because you know these things have to be easy to clean. And it's just a rinse. You do it straight away. You don't even have to use any soap. So that can go there, and I'll just wash this after. Oh. That's it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for some more stuff. Easy.